Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Something you might consider using: a knife that you can fold up, push the button right here, put in your pocket, push this button right here. Let go. I think this pulls down. Huh?
It's push back.
I know, but
No, pull it out. Pull it out.
pull it down like so. But you have to pull that and then use your finger and pull this down. There's your knife that you might consider using. It's like $6. Okay. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.